Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining why you need multiple accounts and writing down the intended use for each. This helps avoid accidental policy violations. Once done, create dedicated email addresses and label them so you can track which account is which. Make separate browser profiles or use virtual desktops to prevent cross-contamination of cookies and logins. Make sure to maintain a single, verifiable identity per account where required by the platform terms of service. Next, verify accounts using contact methods you legitimately control. For example, a company phone or authorized SIM. Always follow platform rules. Use a password manager to generate and store unique strong passwords for each account. This prevents credential reuse and simplifies access. Enable two-factor authentication and securely store recovery codes. Once these controls are in place, periodically review access logs and permissions to detect unusual activity and to maintain separation between accounts. Finally, organize accounts with an access matrix that shows who can do what and log key actions. This keeps operations auditable. Rotate credentials quarterly and audit permissions monthly to limit exposure. If something goes wrong, like an unexpected lockout, don't try workarounds. Follow the platform's official recovery and appeal procedures and provide truthful documentation. A key troubleshooting tip: if suspended, collect timestamps and screenshots, then submit a calm, factual appeal rather than creating replacement accounts, which can worsen the situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.